Welcome to TD Adventures. This is your travel buddy Tushar. So, today we are going to visit the paradise on earth, indeed, the Kashmir. The beauty of Kashmir varies in every month round the year. This time, we visited Kashmir in the month of June. After seeing the beauty of Kashmir, I reminded of a शायरी. मैं तुम्हारी सादगी की क्या मिसाल दूं, इस सारे जहां में बेमिसाल हो तुम. So, our first visit will be none other than the famous Dal Lake. Dal Lake is located in Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. It is the second largest lake in Jammu Kashmir. These are shikaras, wooden boats made from Devdar wood. Indeed, shikara ride is a must-go and integral ride of visiting Dal Lake. You can hire a shikara for about Rs 500 for an hour trip. Dal Lake and Bollywood connection date back since 1960s. In the shikara ride, you can visit the Dal Lake Bazaar, where you can do shopping of Pashmini shawls, traditional ladies outfits, jackets, dry fruit, etc. The lake covers an area of around 18 square kilometer and has a shoreline of about 15.5 kilometer. These are houseboats where one can book for an overnight stay inside the lake at about 3 to 4,000 per night. Man-made floating islands where lotus flowers and other vegetables are cultivated. One must visit Char Chinar, a square island between the lake with 4 chinar trees on each of its corner. Now we will visit the famous Mughal gardens on the banks of the lake. One has to pay a nominal entrance fee at every garden of around 20 to 30 bucks at ticket counter. First, we will start with Chashme Shahi. Chashme Shahi means the royal spring, a freshwater spring and garden known for its medicinal properties. Ali Mardan Khan built this garden in 1632 in such a way that spring water is the source of fountains. Then we visited the Shalimar Bagh garden built by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir for his wife Noor Jahan in 1619. The garden layout is an adaptation of Persian garden. It covers an area of about 12.5 hectare. The garden has 3 terraces, that is Diwan-e-Aam, Diwan-e-Khas and Zinan. These 3 terraces are connected with a central axial water channel. This was linked to Dal Lake water. The garden flourishes with chinar trees, various flowering plants, which leaves you enchanted with its beauty. On the deathbed, Emperor Jahangir was asked about his cherished desire. He said, "Kashmir, the rest is worthless." Now we headed to the next garden, that is Nishat Bagh, which is also located on the bank of the lake with Zabarwan mountain ranges at its backdrop. It was built in 1633 by Asif Khan, the elder brother of Noor Jahan, the queen of Mughal Emperor Jahangir. It is said that Emperor Shah Jahan was jealous of this beautiful garden. Nishat Bagh is also an adaptation of Persian gardens. It has 12 terraces depicting 12 zodiac signs. It covers an area of 19 hectares. Out of the 12 terraces, the second terrace is the most impressive in view of 23 niches arched on it. They were oil lamp lit, which used to provide a spectacular fairy tale view to the flowing water through the channels. The garden features many exotic flowering plants, trees with stone and marble thrones placed at the head of every waterfall. Along with Dal Lake, there are many other beautiful lakes to visit, such as Wular Lake, Nagin Lake. You can visit to Gulmarg, Khilanmarg, Yusmarg to enjoy the nature's beauty. Now we are heading to Sonmarg, about 80 kilometers from Srinagar. Here we enjoyed riding on snowmobile, that is skidoo bike ride on the snow glacier. We can hire a snow wear kit including the skidoo ride at 1000 rupees per person. One can enjoy this beautiful snow glacier and click beautiful pictures. One can hire helpers to help you climb the snow glacier, and there are photographers to capture your beautiful moments. After that, we visited this beautiful glacier. Then we visited the Kher Bhavani temple. Headed to Pehelgham, where we visited the Kashmir bat factory, saw Keshar fields, this is the Bobby house where Rishi Kapoor Chavik Ho Jaye song was shot. Indeed, the beauty of Kashmir is mesmerizing. I would really acknowledge the words of Persian poet Arif Shiraj about Kashmir. Agar Firdaus bar roz e zameen ast, hamin asto, hamin asto, hamin asto, which means if there is paradise on earth, it is here, it is here, it is here. With this, your travel buddy Tushar is signing off. I hope you have liked our video. We are coming up with more videos in the Kashmir series. Stay tuned and do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.